This is the denture cleaning tool. Alright, it got lots of different colors. The handle here is the plastic and the metal wire in the front, and it got white little brushes. So it's very too easy to use. So because the wire is soft and is thin, you can go inside and cleaning any gaps inside the denture, and I think you can do a very good job to cleaning all the details inside. Lots of different colors, and it's for the hygiene, so it always comes with the cap. I think this is a good tool, or you can give to any person that need it as a gift. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.